Welcome back everyone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to set up the Facebook pixel on your WordPress site, step by step, so you can finally start tracking visitors, dialing in your ads, and unlocking data that helps your business grow. By the end of this video, you'll have your pixel up and running, ready to start collecting valuable insights for your Facebook marketing. So let's get right to it. First things first, we need to create your pixel. Head over to Meta Events Manager. This is your command center for all things tracking on Facebook. If you haven't created a pixel before, you'll see an option to set up a new one. Go ahead and click to create. Give your pixel a clear, memorable name. Think of it like naming a security camera that keeps an eye on your site's activity. When you're finished, jot down that pixel ID or just keep the tab open. We'll need it soon. Okay, back to your WordPress site. Now we'll install the official plugin that connects everything together. From your dashboard, look over to the menu on the left, hover on Plugins, and click Add New. In the search bar, type Meta Pixel for WordPress. Don't worry if you see a few similar options. Pick the one from Facebook or Meta Technologies. Hit Install now, and after a few seconds, the button will change to Activate. Click that, and the plugin is live on your site. Installing a plugin is a lot like adding a smart appliance to your home. It's the easy way to add new features without messing with any code. With the plugin activated, it's time to actually connect your Facebook account and select your pixel. In your dashboard menu, find Settings, then Meta. Click in and you'll see a Get Started button. When you click it, you'll go through a secure login flow with Facebook. This is where you authorize the plugin to communicate with your Facebook business assets. You'll need to choose the correct Facebook account, your business manager if you have more than one, double-check you're picking the right one, your ad account, and finally the pixel ID you just created. Take your time here, even if it feels a little tedious. Connecting the right accounts ensures your data is going to the right place. If you ever get uncertain, Facebook usually highlights what's being connected, so don't worry. After you've selected your pixel and double-checked everything, you'll likely see a prompt asking you to grant permissions. This part ensures the plugin has what it needs to do its job. Think of it as giving a house key to a trusted friend who handles deliveries. Go ahead and confirm, and the plugin will automatically install your pixel's base code onto your site. You don't need to deal with copying or pasting any snippets of code. It's all handled for you in the background. This is a huge advantage, especially if you're not comfortable editing theme files. Now for the final and very important part, verifying that everything's working. Open your site in Chrome and install the Meta Pixel Helper Chrome extension if you haven't already. This handy tool is like a flashlight that shows you all the pixels running on a page. When you visit your homepage, look for a green checkmark in the Pixel Helper. If you see it, congratulations, your Facebook pixel is live and ready to start collecting data. Don't stress if it takes a minute for the Pixel Helper to pick up the signal. Sometimes caching or browser quirks cause a small delay. And there you have it. You've just connected your WordPress site to Facebook's tracking system without touching a single line of code. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give the video a thumbs up. It helps the channel a ton. Got stuck or have a question? Drop it below in the comments. I always try to help out. And if you want more tips to grow your website and marketing, make sure you subscribe and ring the bell for the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.